Hi guys, I hope all you guys are good and well. So as we all know, we are all in this pandemic and then sitting inside home, and so we might be interested to learn new skills. Today I'm gonna demonstrate you in this video how to install the correct version of Geometer. What we actually need Geometer is for testing purpose. So whenever we want to perform some performance test of the website and load test of the website, then Geometer provides you that service. So in the case, let me go through it to let's download the Geometer. So in that case, let me go to the Chrome. So type here OWNL Geometer for Windows. So it has already given there. So here you can see the first one. Not this one. Yes, download Apache Geometer, the Apache for software foundation. So click in this. So yes, so it has correctly taken you into the download folder. So in that case, so whenever you want to use Apache Geometer, then before you have to download and install Java JDK version above 8. So any version which is of Java version more than 8, then you have to download and install that. So in that case, so let me just show you how shall we select the correct required Geometer software application. So in that case, so here you can see in the binaries, so there are two given options. So among them, so let me just open this Apache Geometer 5.4.1 zip. So this is the latest version, so we need this software. Okay, so the second one in the binaries list. So let me just click in that. So here you can see the download has started. Apache Geometer 5.4.1.zip. So it will be initially in the zip folder, and just 30 second, 20 second, don't take much time. It's almost half of the download is completed, and let's wait for a few more. Okay. All right. So okay, so as you can see here, the download process for Apache Geometry is completed. So let me just see in the folder. So here you can see it is in the folder, download folder. So what you need to do is you have to extract that. Okay, in the list, here you can see in the Apache Geometry, so it has extracted. So previously it was in a zip folder. So click in this. So click in that, and then basically the required software for us to which will be in the which will be located inside this bin folder. So in that case, so if you are using Windows operating system, and then apart from the Mac laptop, then this is the Windows batch file. So you just have to double click in this Geometer file, which will be in batch file, Windows batch file. So just double click in that. Okay, here. So as you can see, guys, the Apache Geometer has installed successfully in my system. Check out my next video. I'll show you how to uh, uh, write test plan in the Apache Geometer. So keep watching. Thank you.